The first scientific field test of the U.S. Geological Survey's Mobile Geological Laboratory began in April of 1965. This large 7-ton vehicle, built by General Motors Defense Research Laboratory in Santa Barbara, California, was recently delivered to the Branch of Astrogeology Office of the U.S. Geological Survey in Flagstaff, Arizona. One objective of this field test was to investigate the feasibility of using a gamma-ray spectrometer under mobile field conditions. The gamma-ray spectrometer includes a 400-channel pulse analyzer and a tape punch reader. Carl M. Bunker of the Isotope Geology Branch, Denver, Colorado, installed laboratory gamma-ray spectrometric equipment in the vehicle and operated the instrument during field traverses. This experiment is the first step in a study to develop field analysis techniques and instrumentation for possible use in lunar field geological and geophysical exploration. 2 sodium iodide crystals mounted in the well deck scanned an area of about 100 square feet beneath the vehicle. Rock samples were collected at intermittent stops for later laboratory analysis, which will determine the content of radioactive elements such as thorium, uranium, and potassium. The data are stored by magnetic polar memory before being fed into the punch tape system for permanent storage. 1 square mile was investigated by the Mobile Geological Laboratory during 3 days of operation. Gamma-ray activity of various volcanic rocks, including andesite flows, tuffs, and tufaceous sandstones, and a plutonic rock, principally granite, was measured. Personnel from the Branch of Astrogeology provided geologic control for the test. Power for driving the Mobile Laboratory is provided by a 6-cylinder air-cooled automotive engine. The automatic 4-speed transmission can drive either 2 or 4 wheels. A generator providing 110 and 220 AC current for operation of scientific instruments and an air conditioning unit complete the power requirements. The oversized wheels with large low-pressure tires adapt the vehicle for off-highway travel. The crew compartments provide space for sleeping and cooking facilities for 2 men or for additional instrument installations. Extended traverses are planned for future tests of geophysical equipment that might be adapted to a vehicular operation. Results of this first field test will be known when analytical data on the collected rock samples are available. Preliminary study during the traverse showed that the field-mounted gamma-ray spectrometer was sensitive enough to detect small differences in radioactivity of various rocks containing minute amounts of uranium, thorium, or potassium.